Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 7 comparing quantities example 6. The question is Salim bought an article for rupees 784 which included GST of 12%. What is the price of the article before GST was added? It is similar to the previous problem. Okay, so whenever we are purchasing any item, so it will be having some tax, right? So similar tax is nothing but the GST. So GST amount is around 12%. Okay, so we have to calculate the GST amount and the cost of the particular item. Both when we add, we will get the bill amount. Okay, that is the total amount of a particular item. So here they are saying that the article worth, which is including of GST, is around 784. Okay, so the bill amount in the problem is given. Okay, so bill amount is 784 and tax percentage is 12%. We know that cost of the item, so here it is cost of the article plus tax amount is equal to the bill amount, So cost of the article we need to find out. So let cost of the article is equal to X, because that is what we are going to find out. That is the price of the article we are going to find out. So let me take that it as X because we don't know. And then tax amount we need to calculate. So tax amount is given by tax percentage into the cost of the article. So here it is tax percentage into cost of the article. So tax percentage is around 12%. So 12% I can write it as 12 by 100. Okay, cost of the article I don't know, that I can take it as X. Okay, so tax amount is given by 12x by 100. Now coming to the formula. Okay, this is the formula. Cost of the article plus tax amount is equal to bill amount. Okay, let me substitute all those values there. So cost of the article I don't know, that is nothing but X. Tax amount is 12x by 100, which is equal to bill amount. In this problem, the bill amount is given as 784. Okay, so left hand side when we take, the LCM is 100. Okay, so just multiply here, it is 100x plus 12x, which is equal to 784. So numerator when you add 100 plus 12 is 112x divided by 100, which is equal to 784. So x is equal to 784, okay, into, just take this term to the right hand side. So 100 will go to the numerator, 112 will come to the denominator. Just take the reciprocal, right? So now what tables we can apply? Let me apply and see the 7 tables. Okay, so 7 ones are 7, balance is 4, it becomes 42, 7 6 are 42. So here it is again 7 ones are 7, again 7 ones are 7, balance is 1, it will become 14, 7 twos are 14. Okay, and then coming to the 8 tables, 8 twos are 16, here it is 8 ones are 8, balance is 3, it will become 32, 8 fours are 32. So coming to the 2 table, 7 twos are 14. So denominator I have just 1, numerator I have 7 into 100. So I have only just 7 into 100, which is going to be 700. So x is equal to 700. That is the price of the article before GST. That is cost of the article before GST is nothing but rupees 700. Okay. So the cost of the article before GST. it is equal to rupees 700. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching.